What up, YouTube? This is Carson Carter. I got home and camera's Ryan Carter. And today I wanted to walk around, show you, and tell you about my Mega Moto 212 bitty bike with a 212 Predator Hemi. We got the bike from GoPowersports.com. We got the motor from Harbor Freight. It's really awesome and fast. It's really fun to drive. It was a really easy build. The motor has a stage 2 performance kit with a stage 1 performance kit. See right here, you can tell, I got the exhaust and the carburetor. And when you pull it over, it really looks sick. Yank it out of your hands. It's got a lot of compression. And the whole build process is really easy and simple. It's got following instructions. It looks some of it up. But yeah, it's really awesome. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And here in a minute, we'll show you the build process.